Hey guys, Roshan here, Roshan864 here, and today we're going to do a video on this Bluetooth mice. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's a Bluetooth mice by HP. You can use, as you can see on the side, it says Android, Windows and Mac. It doesn't use one of those little dongle things. It's all by Bluetooth. So let's open it. If I can figure out, okay. So we're going to open this up. You see, box, yeah, nothing else. You can see through that way. And here in the box we have this little quick setup. Probably don't need to use it. And here we go, we got the HP mice. So I lift the plastic up. And you can see this mice, first dice, it's really slim. Let's show you a picture of the box. Looks pretty similar, as you can see. If you put that like that, they look pretty similar. So let's remove these. So there's the mice, and you get this paper, and then under the paper you get an energizer battery. Let's get that out. Put everything to the side. You got your mice. And to put the battery in, all you have to do is from the bottom you can lift it up, and then this is what you see. You put the battery inside, matching the negative and positive terminals, and then you can put it back on. Now what you want to do is get your phone. Got Samsung Galaxy A3 here, 2017. So I'm going to be using this to use the mice. You can use it with a computer or Mac, PC, anything, but for this video I'm going to use a phone because look, it's easy for you to see. So when you go into the Bluetooth settings, you just want to turn this on. As you can see, there's a on button here. Press that, and at the front there's a little light. If you can see, no, it's not on yet. So first you press connect, and then this blue light comes on, flashing. Now on your phone, you press scan, or on your PC, whatever you're doing it on, you press scan. And as you can see here, let me focus that. You can see it's getting the device name, but it shows a picture of a mice. Here it says there, HP Bluetooth mice. So you just click on it, wait for it to pair. HP Bluetooth Mouse Z5000. That's the model. So it's pairing. Let's see how long this is going to take. Leave that here. It's taking some time. Just press the connect button again. Trying again, and there you go, it's should be connected. Yeah, now at the top there it says HP Bluetooth Mouse Z5000 connected as input device. So now you see the mouse here. I'm going to control it. You can see that mouse there. You can press anything you like. Stuff like that. So you can see the mice there. So that's basically the whole point. It's gold and black mice, nice colour. As you can see, yeah. So thank you for watching my video. Please share, comment, like. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you liked it, press the like button. Thanks.